Your iPhone has a built-in password manager that makes it easy to check any password you've saved on your phone. This is a native app and it's simply called Passwords. You can search for it by swiping down on your screen and typing the name, or you can simply look for the app icon on your homepage. The Passwords app is always locked behind Face ID or passcode, making it secure and ensuring that other people can't access and view your passwords. This app is actually really powerful because besides traditional passwords, it can store Wi-Fi passwords, passkeys, and even use it for two-factor authentication codes. You can view all your passwords and use the search bar on the bottom to find the one you're looking for. Mine is pretty empty, but you get the idea. I can pick any account here to view more details, and if I've, for example, forgotten the username or passwords, I can view them here and tap them to copy either one. I'm not going to show you my password, but you can tap it to view it, and you can copy it from here if you need to paste it in a browser window or somewhere else. You can also add notes for each password, which could be useful if your account has a security question or something similar, so you can put all that info in the notes field. You can share the account and password by using the Share button up top, and the Edit button allows you to edit and update your username or password if needed. And that's how you check your saved passwords. If the Passwords app doesn't have it, you probably didn't save it on your phone. Click the like button if this helped, and subscribe for more easy guides like this.